This wonderful couple came to KabCo Kitchens because their current kitchen did not fit their style. It was a good size, but it was very outdated. Since their existing layout worked for them, we kept a similar floor plan and designed a custom kitchen around their new appliances. The cabinets are now a white lacquer finish in a recessed panel door style with sleek hardware. The 2.5-inch thick counters are a beautiful Calacotta quartz. And to make the design more transitional, we added a waterfall counter at the peninsula. For the homeowners, a small prep island, ample counter space, and pop-up outlets were a must. The backsplash is actually made of mini stone strips and has become one of their favorite focal points. The whole remodel has been a success, making this new space functional, bright, and beautiful.